I'm Buckethead 830 here, and I'm going to show you how to make a Lego chainsaw. First, you'll need one of these pieces. You'll need one of these pieces. Doesn't have to be gray. Lighting isn't that very good, so bear with me. You'll need one of these blade pieces. Gray is the best color, but it can be any color. You know, one of these don't have to be red. You'll need one of these camera looking pieces. And then you'll need one of these pieces. Okay. Take this gray piece and just put this black piece right here on the back. So it looks like that. Whoops. Then take the camera looking piece and put it right there in the front, facing forward. Take that red piece, or whatever color, right there, between that. Okay. Take the gray piece, put it on either side. I prefer the left side because it makes it look cooler. And then you take the blade and put it right there. You have a Lego chainsaw. You can put it with any character. All the Legos I have are Lego Star Wars, so I'll show you how to make them hold it. Put the red piece in the right hand, or left, whichever one you used. Hold on a second. Sorry about the wait. Like that. And then put the left hand, or whichever hand, inside the little gray piece. And you have a little guy with a Lego chainsaw.